We're gonna go over a snap side kick now. So what's happening is, this is the heel to heel switch, but I'm not letting the heel reach there. As soon as this is coming forward and my weight is on my front, when my weight is on my front, this doesn't touch. This is skipping before it touches. So sometimes you'll have a kick where you touch, then there's a chamber. We're hopping in before it touches. So before it reaches, that's where it's coming out. So I'm going to face you. Here, same thing. I'll do it towards you and then you do it back. You're here. So it doesn't reach. My weight's going forward and it's kind of like I'm being pulled forward. Usually I'll initiate some sort of attack. Okay, we're hopping. Weight pulled forward. As soon as that goes, nowhere. Okay. That's it. This is application of the snap side kick. Now, we've gone over the snap round kick. Okay? This starts giving them different angles to deal with. Okay? So if he starts checking my round kick, right down the middle, or right down on his knee, but look at the distance. Look at the distance. Very important. Look how far away we are. Round kick. Round kick. See? Sorry about that. The main thing we're attacking with this is the knee. So what's happening here, as I'm hopping down, I'm just crunching down. Don't move, Chris. It's that crunch down. With shoes, this is so much different. But when I have the round kicks as well, sorry, but this is extremely devastating. We're going towards his knee. Start to check, Chris. Okay. Same thing, super annoying with my shoes on. Cracking with my heel, okay? See? You're just keeping your opponent guessing. I can be here towards the legs, here towards the head, all different angles, all different levels.